And today, the 8th of June 2021, actress Amarachi Igidimbah, the living goddess, is 30 years, and I concur. 30 years absolutely looks good on her.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May good luck go with you. Happy birthday to you.
And to celebrate her 30th birthday, of course, her friends were the first to woke her up with a surprise gift and other things to mention. But before I show you the full video clip, remember that my only obligation and assignment on my beautiful and entertaining channel is to bring to you celebrity news updates using sliding photos and video clip content of your favorite celebrities, simply for information values and absolutely for entertainment purposes. Enjoy the surprise birthday gift from the friends of Amarachi to the living goddess.
Who is there? Who is in this house? Please open the door. Is the door open? Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, darling. Hooray! Please, I want to be the first to give you a gift this morning, darling. Happy birthday. You need to open it. You need to open it. Receive from okay. Receive from okay. I love my shoe. I am the first to give you a birthday gift this morning. Yes. Oh my God. Open it. My phone is wicked. Yeah. Big press. Big. I put it on speaker. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. What is going on?
Wow. Let me see.
I love it. Mom.
Let me see.
Oh my God. Okay. Hey. It don't matter. They got sisters. Oh my God. Wow. Thank you, sister. Thank you so much. Thank you. Open. You're not done. You never finish. Who that breathe? You never finish. They say never finish. They say never finish. Never finish. Thank you, sister. Thank you, sister. Where does that come from? So you should come here. Thank you. Thank you so much. I feel special. You deserve it. Oh my God. Oh, thank you. My voice don't go. Hey, Amaka, you have won a dog worker's heart for life. Oh my God. I need to send this to him right now. Hey. Then get couple crush. Then get couple crush. Who they be? Thank you. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my God. I'm happy you love it. I love it. Where's my phone? Let me send it to my husband. Where's my phone? Where's Oge's phone? Bring Oge's shoe. Let me send it to my husband. Hey. Oh my God.
They get sisters.
They don't get you.
They get crush.
They don't get couple crush, yeah. They get couple crush. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, once. Okay. Hey, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much. I don't know what I did to deserve all this love from all of you. Thank you. You're welcome. You deserve it. Thank you.
Next time, where is your gift?
It's still coming, it's on the way.
One thing is to have a friend, and another is to have friends that celebrates you on your birthday. And this is the first of Amarachi celebrating her 30th birthday. And yes, the husband was the first to celebrate her birthday. It was 12 a.m. of the 8th of June 2021. And doing that, he went to Amarachi's best friend. Of course, I know that one is going to be her chief bridesmaid, Chinyaka. And of course, it was bundle of money was spread on her. And a customized gold necklace written Munye Odogu, and it is certainty. Of course, Amarachi is Munye Odogu. You are going to enjoy the full video clip of how it went down, but first, this is the first ever video you are watching on my channel. You love entertainment and hence you stumble into my channel. Kindly please promote and publicize my channel by simply clicking on the red icon down below to subscribe to my channel and endeavor to turn on the notification bell and enjoy the video clip.